For calculation percentage in Excel is very simple. I will discuss the formula and apply multiple numbers in it to show the result for your understanding. Before that, I will explain you the formula in theory. This video is making on our Android cell phone via Excel application. You can apply the same formula, the same procedure in the desktop version as well. This is very simple to understand on Excel, and you can apply on desktop version as well. So let's start this video. To calculate the change of percentage in Excel, we need two numbers or two values to find the difference for both numbers in percentage, not in decimal. So if we have two numbers and we need to find change of percentage between two numbers, we need to apply a simple formula we will discuss in this video. Simple formula of change of percentage is subtract second value from the first value and divide this answer with the first value. The answer will be multiplied with the 100 to get the result of percentage. Let me explain you again while showing the formula. The simple formula is to change the percentage is subtract second value from the first value, and the answer will be divided with the first value, and we will multiply with the 100 to get the result. So but in Excel we just need to subtract second value with the first value, and then divide the answer with the first value and apply percentage format to get the result. So we don't need to multiply with the 100. Excel will calculate the percentage once we apply the percentage format. So let's start. Now I'm going to apply the formula on our exercise. We have data also available here. So first we will discuss the first exercise, then we will discuss second one as the second example as well. If we get the result in positive, so number will be increase. For the second amount is increased. If we get the result in negative, which means the second amount is decreases. So here we are going to apply this formula on this Excel sheet on mobile phone. You can apply the same formulas on the desktop version as well. So that's very simple to apply on it. And in this training we have already done multiple exercises for the percentage calculation. If you want to learn more about percentage calculation, change of percentage, and you want to create the percentage pie chart and different charts, so you can learn from these video. These are available in my channel, and you can find the link from below in the description as well. Here you can see we apply multiple exercises for your learning and for your understanding. So that will very helpful for you to have the understanding on the percentage calculation, and also help you to understand the desktop version of the Excel sheet, how you can apply formula on the desktop version. So don't forget to subscribe. If you learned something from this video, I really want you to like this video, and or if you are looking for some other solutions, so ask me in your comment box. So I will tell you the answer, and I will make a video on your requirement. So please subscribe and give a like if you learned something, or leave your comment right now. So I'm going to clear this data and the formulas from this these cells, so I can apply the formula over here. The formula is simple. For the change of percentage is the percentage change formula is the second value is we have as 750. So we just need to write to 750, then subtract from it from the first value. It could be your product value or your salary or something, anything like you want to calculate the change of percentage, then divided with the first value, that is 1000, as we have available here. So now if we are doing calculation on the normal way without Excel, so we need to multiply to get the answer with 100. So we will have the answer in the percentage, otherwise it will give us the answer in decimal format. I will show you. So I'm going to apply the formula. The formula is first value. Before formula, I want to tell you that we have multiple trainings topics available, and we also doing the training on our website, that is MJ Online Home Tutor Academy. So you can visit and you can get this file as well. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe right now, that will very helpful for us. And please don't forget to like this video. So I'm going to apply the formula is very simple, that is 750, that is K5 minus K5 minus M5, that is 1000, and we will keep these number in the bracket. So close bracket, and then before K5 we should have open bracket. Then we will divide with the K6, which is the first value. So we get the number percentage. If we remove the format, if you remove the format of percentage, clear format, if we remove the clear format, so we will get this number for in the decimal format. So for that, I have to get the answer, I have to multiply with the 100 as well, but it will not it won't show us the percentage sign. Let me add brackets before multiply, and then 100. So you can see we got the answer minus 25 over here, but it's not showing in the percentage sign. So we have to apply percentage format from, let me copy to show you how we can apply percentage format base. So here we don't have the percentage format. Let me show you. I will apply the percentage format, so you can learn how you can apply a percentage format. So I'm going to apply discuss the second example, which is first value is 1000 and the second value is 1250. So here you can see how we can apply the percentage format in Android Excel app. That will help you, because this is very useful app once you are traveling or you are doing something and not in the office or not in front of your PC. So you can work on your cell phone, or you can create report and submit your reports, and that's very useful tool. So I'm going to apply a formula over here again. So let's put the value, that is second value is 1250, then minus then the second value, yes, and the first value is 1000. So 1000, and we will divide with the 1000. So and then we will multiply with the 100, multiply with 100. Here I'm going to apply a formula, same formula, but in different way. I'm not going to get the reference of each cell. I'm going to put the numbers over here. So I'm going to apply formula over here. Please, if you learned something from this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you are looking for something else, so ask me in comment box right now. I will give you answer as well, and I will make a video for you for as per your requirement, which topic you want to learn. So I hope you understand. I'm going to apply the formula without cell reference, just only numbers in the formula, close bracket. So we have subtract from the second value from the first value, then we will divide with the first value, that is 1000, and then multiply with the 100. So here we get the percentage format but without percentage sign. Here you can see the value is correct but the sign is not available. If we put the sign over here so it will change the value and that will not be the correct answer. Percentage. Alright, so I have searched the percentage over here to get the percentage format on this cell. So here you can see once we increase the size of this cell so it's showing something wrong. So for that I have to remove the last, that is multiply with the 100 to get the correct result. So here you can see we get the positive 25 percent from this value. As I told you, we have created multiple trainings on percentage calculation. There are 15 and more examples and video trainings available on this channel, and you can find tutorial on the website as well with the text format. And we also add the MCQs in our training on our website, so you can give the answer for your understanding and for your learning. We start this training from the basic calculation of the percentage, and then we apply it on different tables and percentage for calculation on different exercises and different data. We create graph as well, we create a pie chart, we create many more things on this, and we apply the formula as well, different kind of on different data. So I hope you will understand and you will learn from these trainings, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will give you some tips as well for this training. Just a quick refresher, if someone asks you to calculate percentage of change of percentage and give you some data like this, so how you can calculate on your mobile phone without Excel, if you don't have Excel application. So I will calculate this example on the calculator which is available in the our cell phone. So 750 minus 1000, that's a quick example, don't be worry about it, it will not take you too much time. Then divide with the 1000, and then multiply with the 100. So here you can see you get the result as minus 25. If you have the data as new value is 1250, sorry. So it's a just quick refresher for you, that's very useful sometime to understand these simple exercises that will very helpful for you. So please like this button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I hope you understand this training. So leave your comment as well. So here you can see you get the result as 25%, or we can one more thing, that is let me show you one time. That is if we apply a formula like this, 1250 minus 1000 close bracket divide by 100,000 and percentage. So here you get the same answer as per our requirement. So please don't forget to subscribe, as we done the formula calculation of the percentage changes in Excel. So I hope you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.